Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris and this is Restoration Rescue. And this week we're going to be continuing working on the truck. So last week we laid down some color again on the cab and on the hood. So that is all ready for its next coat, which we are definitely going to start laying clear today, which is a huge accomplishment. Now we do have to go back and redo some of the doors. So one door had a lot of marks in it, so I do have to redo it. Now again, I talked about this at the end of the video last week. Now, I am not a body man, so my body work did not come out great. It is very wavy in the paint, and maybe someday when I'm better at it, I'll come back and redo it all again. But that'll be years down the road. Hopefully a lot more subscribers down the road too, so if you're not, definitely hit it. But what we're going to be doing today is we are going to be working on getting the cab cleared, and then we're going to work on getting that door painted, the other door cleared out, and starting to get the cab together. So once all of the clear is dry, next week we'll be able to come in and start build the front end of the truck. So hopefully today, once everything is together and dried, next week we'll pull the truck out, put it back in here, and have the paint booth up for all the other parts. So we'll start painting all of the bed. Now, I wish I could start doing that today, but there's not a lot of room in the paint booth. We have the two doors there that need to dry and do what they need to do once the paint is on, and then once again when the clear is on. So we have one door to clear today, and we have all of the cab and the hood to clear as well. Now, I don't think I'm going to clear under the hood. It's not that big a deal. I'm not really looking for perfection from the under hood side. So we do have a lot of work to do, so let's go ahead and head to the back. So now as we head to the back of the shop and back into where our paint booth is, we have a lot of work to do. So what we're going to do for today is we're going to start by first sanding that one bad door, and then we are going to work on getting the clear mixed and getting it laid out. Now, I've already been outside for quite a bit today getting the paint booth back up, and now the reason for that is the rain. So it's rained quite a bit here. It is muddy as anything, and I had to shop vac and clean. So what we're going to do is we are going to go grab some 600 grit and start sanding on that one door. All right, so everything is wiped down. Everything is scuffed back for the door. So that door is ready for more green. Minus it's just got to get dried off. And then the other door is ready for clear. So that door is ready for clear. The cab is ready for clear. I'm almost ready for clear. And it's going to be a blast today. So we're going to get the clear done. Hopefully today it's all cleaned up, ready to go. Looking pretty good as I bump into it. I'm covered with a little bit of pollen, but we're going to keep that cleaned out. We'll get the clear on the back of the cab first, get this squared away. Now what we have to do is a nice thick coat, and then we're going to come back with a thin coat in about 10 minutes. Let that sit, and then continue to work through the truck. So we got to do the whole thing today. I hope to get everything done. I hope to get another coat of paint on that door to cover up where a bug ran through it and a run, as well as a little bit of dirt. Now that door did come out a lot better. Didn't have a bug because killed the bug. Sorry, environment. But We killed the bug to get it away from our paint. We have now covered up where he ran around a little bit, or she, and then we also cleared out that run. So everything is set there. Needs to get dried off and repainted only on the bottom. The top of the door is great, but we'll repaint that. We will work on clearing the passenger door, so that can work on going on next week. That'd be amazing if I could get the door on next week of the passenger side, and then we can start working on the little things for that. But what we need to do now is mix and clear and start laying clear before we run out of time. So that clear came out absolutely incredible. We are going to have to buff and scuff it just to clean it up. There is a little bit of orange peel in it. Hopefully that goes away as it dries, which it claims that it's supposed to, but we'll see. It is looking really, really, really sharp. It looks clear as glass, which I'm really, really excited about. And we are moving towards the right point. So we have run out of time for this week. We are going to come back next week and finish clearing that one door, as I'm going to take care of painting that thing off camera, then clearing it, and then that will be ready for its installation on the truck. So next week when we come out here, hopefully we'll be pulling the truck out of the bay. We will be finishing that one door, and we will be starting to paint the rest of the truck. So we have the whole back end of the truck. We have purchased our bedwood. It is here. I don't remember if I've told you guys yet. It's been a long, confusing couple weeks, but that's here. We have windows on the way. Obviously, we have a windshield inside. We have the rear window here. So the windows will be starting to hit the truck soon. Doors will be going together very, very soon, which means we have a lot of work coming ahead. We're going to get the front end together. We're going to put headlights in. We're going to finish wiring, and all before C10 Nationals. So we have the rest of the truck to finish, but that is going to be a wrap for today's video. We'll see you guys next Saturday when we continue working on the truck. Hopefully we have a lot more time next weekend so we can work on it all day, paint the whole thing, clear the whole thing, get everything all done. So at least on the front half. The front half, once that's done, we have a lot of work to do that we can do. That doesn't include the paint booth, because obviously weather's going to change, and that does affect it. As you saw today, did have some water standing on the ground, and that is because it rained all week. But again, that is going to be a wrap for this week's video. We have a lot to come to the channel, so make sure you stick around. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, leave a comment below, and hit that like button. It's not that hard, just hit it. Hit the like button already. All right, and we'll see you guys next Saturday.